The best camera backpacks offer much more room for expansion while being comfortable to carry. They have tough exteriors designed to protect your gear from the elements, as well as padded interiors to stop lenses and cameras from rolling around and bashing into each other in transit. DSLR and mirrorless camera kits have a habit of growing. Once you get beyond, say, a camera with a kit standard zoom lens, shoulder bags often run out of room. The best camera backpacks give much more room for expansion while helping to spread the load. Both shoulders share the burden, and weight is also distributed to your upper and lower back. It provides a much more comfortable and secure carrying experience. Number 5. Nomadic. USTOMIZE You're packing. We partnered with Peter McKinnon and carefully designed this camera pack to allow you to pack and protect everything you need for your camera, while still leaving enough room in a separate clothing compartment to pack for a 1 to 5 day trip. With endlessly customizable folding dividers, you get to choose what you store and where. Need more space? This bag expands from 35L to 42L quickly and conveniently. Quick access. Quickly access your camera with a convenient side pocket, or unzip for full access to the entire camera compartment. You'll never want to use another camera bag again. Also includes a laptop compartment that fits laptops up to 16 inches, and plenty of other useful pockets to store cords, chargers, or anything else you need to bring. Focus on comfort. We knew that carrying all of your camera equipment could get heavy, so we designed internal supports to help distribute the weight, as well as multiple external adjustment and support straps, as well as a removable waist strap. All of this is designed to help lighten the load while wearing this pack. Additional features. Carry-on size to allow you to fit under the seat, or in the overhead bin in airplanes, with a laptop sleeve, tablet sleeve and magnetic water bottle pockets on the side of the bag quickly snap back into place while not in use. This bag features lockable zippers, strong water-resistant outer materials and an RFID-safe pocket for your valuables. Number 4. Lowpro. Ideal for day hikers or adventure travel. Simple and lightweight, the Truckee LX backpack will be your ideal companion of day hike or traveling. You can carry on your basic camera kit or video gear to capture all of your adventures. And its compact size makes it carry-on compatible for airline travel. The Truckee LX series is a great basic camera daypack that delivers all-day comfort, durable materials, simple organization pockets, space for a laptop and room for your personal gear. The Truckee LX series is the ideal compact bag for a small point-and-shoot camera or a medium DSLR with a medium lens attached. It features stretch mesh side pockets for hold small items for quick access, while the shoulder strap is easily removed for storage. From small to big adventures, the Truckee LX series is available in 5 sizes, 3 backpacks and 2 shoulders. This versatile collection blends fun, function, and grab-and-go spontaneity. Number 3. Tenba. Height Adjustable Airflow Harness. Tenba's specially developed harness can be customized to fit virtually any torso size and allows easy micro-adjustments. Strap height. Reflective mall webbing. Allows limitless expandability with Tenba tools, lens capsules, battery pouches and memory card wallets, as well as military standard pouches and accessories. Capacity 1 to 2 mirrorless DSLR or cine cameras with 5 to 7 lenses up to 300mm 2.8 plus a laptop up to 15 inches. Also fits DJI Mavic and other compact drones. Tripod compatible. Dual mall compatible straps and a reinforced cup allow the secure attachment of virtually any size tripod. Number 2. TARION Pro. As the continuation of TARION PB camera bag series, this large camera backpack features professional with a large capacity of 1 camera plus 5 lens easily. All the inner padded dividers can be reorganized, even the top and bottom compartments can be changed into one to hold anything about the size of a handheld stabilizer, etc. Side pocket can carry tripod and assisted by side straps. Plenty of accessory pockets for SD cards, cables, batteries and others. The large camera bag with side access compartment allows for reaching the gear in a short time without taking off the big camera backpack. Never miss the fleeting moment. Dedicated back computer sleeve fits up to 15.6-inch thin laptops. Thickened protective pad inside, shockproof and no deformed, help protect your camera and lens safety and security. High-density nylon which boasts anti-tear and water-resistant properties, all-weather protection with waterproof rain cover. Rear padded air mesh panel and ergonomic design increase airflow while hiking or traveling and distribute the weight evenly to add comfort and save energy. Especially use this hiking camera backpack fully loaded on the go. Made of water repellency and high-strength tear-resistance nylon, this large camera bag is sturdy and durable. Attached an extra rain cover for this outdoor photography backpack keeps rain and dust out, makes it one-of-a-kind storm-proof backpack that can take whatever weather throws at it. Number 1. Toxic. Valkyrie is the ultimate backpack for photographers who are tired of plain, corporate camera bags. Stylish, luxurious and comfortable, the morally toxic Valkyrie backpack is built for the rigors of professional photography, made using premium jacquard fabrics with smart storage inside and out. Designed by photographers, Valkyrie has customizable dividers and multiple pockets, ensuring space for all your gear, including extra lenses, flash guns, filters, lens cloths, cables, mics, monitors, laptops and tablets. The outside features inbuilt tripod carry straps that stow away when not in use. Treated to repel liquids and stains, the bag also features a unique frog pocket for easy stowage of wet items, protecting your electronics. Safe and secure, Valkyrie is made with YKK or AquaGuard zippers on all compartments and even has a secret pocket for stowing money or passports. Valkyrie was designed with comfort in mind. The padded shoulder straps are contoured to fit all body shapes and sizes, whilst the rear fascia features a 3-point, airflow back support system with cushioned lumbar and scapula pads, keeping you cool on photography shoots. Available in medium or large, you can choose from 3 eye-catching color options: onyx, sapphire or emerald. The team at Morally Toxic aims to innovate, inspire and be the best that we can be, so all our products feature a 5-year global warranty to give you peace of mind.